I am here at Smith River Falls Campground. It is June 2021. Just came up for a couple hours to spend time with my son Tyler and his new family. So I'm hoping I can come down here to the river and wash my hair. I brought my shampoo, my conditioner, and my towel. Oh wow, there's a lot of people here. Maybe not. I don't want to do this in front of a group of people. Maybe I'll have to go up here and find a shortcut. Let's go take a look. Hello. Oh wow, I expected the water level to be lower. Awesome. Oh wow, cool.
Is Lucy swimming? Yeah. I hear her over there. Thump, thump, thump.
Yay, that's enough water for tubing. Cool. Oh. There. Always show my orthotic. This is my favorite campground. I'm gonna go over to the empty spot over here and see if there's a path down to the water. Because today I want to wash my hair in the river. So I'll be right back after I get to a point where I can wash my hair. Okay, I'm back. I'm hoping that this path isn't too steep and will take me to the river. This is Smith River. My last name is Smith, if you didn't know that. Cynthia Smith. Oh wow. I can do this. I have to turn the tripod. Sit on my butt so I can get down. Oh, might have to call my son to come rescue me when I'm done washing my hair. Okay, here's a good spot. Oh wow, look at this. I used to ride my inner tube right over there. Set my milk down. Yes, I drink milk because I'm not allowed to drink coffee or soda pop. I think... Oh, I can't turn the camera around and put it in selfie mode. Too bad. Let's see if that's a good spot right there. Okay. Let's hope I can do this and not freeze. I brought my shampoo, conditioner, a towel for my hair, This is gonna feel so good. A couple years ago, we stayed up at this campground for 14 days, and I would put on my bathing suit and bathe right here in the river, in the stream, and wash my hair. Gotta have something warm to put on afterwards. Put it under my towel so it stays warm. And to look and make sure that the camera's still rolling. Yep, it is. Let's hope this works. Gotta roll up my pants one more time. Oh yeah, that feels good. Little shampoo. It's cold. I have goosebumps. Now I'll towel dry it and put conditioner on. Woo! Almost fell backwards. You have to remember I'm wearing a ankle foot orthotic. Woo, for balance. Oh, that feels so much better. Oh. Now I can put conditioner on. Paul Mitchell, leave-in conditioner. Not sponsored, but I've used it for like the last 10 years. Ooh. Oh, it's chilly and cold. Ooh. Time to put the t-shirt back on. Right? Cold. Okay, my family is coming down the river, and I'm done washing my hair. Thank you for watching Trauma Survivor Cynthia. Take care of you. I love this place. Okay, I'm going to attempt to get back up because I'm done washing my hair. Okay, here we go. Might have to throw my stuff up here. But it'll stay. Come on, Rocky Mountain mug. Okay. Ouch. Got it? Okay. Ooh, these shoes are slippery when they're wet. Oh, thank goodness. Thank you, Lord. I made it up the hill. Okay, that's where I just came from. And that's where I just washed my hair. I'll have to catch my breath now. So I'm gonna put my stuff down. Okay. Hair all over. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate it very much. I hope it turned out the way I wanted it to. I'm watching my soon-to-be daughter-in-law and her niece in the river trying to find their swimming hole. Here. That's Steffi and Chloe. It's my son Tyler's fiance and her niece. The water is actually not too cold. It could be colder. So I'm going to close out this video. Thank you for watching Trauma Survivor Cynthia. Take care of you.